Worksheet Director provides a way to interact with your favorite apps right from Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Worksheet Director comes as an add-in for Microsoft Excel. You can install and launch Worksheet Director directly from here. Click on Get Started. So very first time there are no connections and services, so you will have to establish a connection. So choose the app that you want to establish a connection. Let's say I want to choose Insightly CRM. Provide authentication credentials to connect with the app. Click on Connect. So it has established a connection and it is going to create a service on it. So the service type is Get, and there are multiple objects available, contacts and leads. So let me pick up contacts. So we can pick up the fields from the contacts. The fields are selected. I need to select where to place the data. So this is the sheet that I want to place the data. So I'll have to select that as the destination sheet. Let me go ahead and execute. When I'm executing, it is pulling all this information of contacts from Insightly CRM and presents that into this spreadsheet. I can also add a filter. Let me try adding a filter. Title equals CEO. So I want to pick up all the contacts for CEO. So I can see that the results are based on the filter. So let me go back. So the query I have built is nicely created as a service. So let me go ahead and create one more service with MySQL database. For that, let me establish a connection. Let me choose MySQL as an app. Provide the credential information. Connect with the database. Now the connection is established. Let me go back to service and create a new service and choose the second connection, that is the MySQL connection. So again, get as a service. So here I can see the list of tables that are available in the MySQL database. Let me choose invoice table. I want to pick up all the invoices and then present that to invoice sheet here. So let me go ahead and choose invoices as the destination sheet. So let me go ahead and execute it. So it presents all the invoice information that has been available in the table. If I go back, I can see that there are two services. Anytime I can go and edit it and re-execute it. So it is that simple to interact with your favorite apps right from Excel sheet using Worksheet Director. Thank you for watching.